Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very special, it's a very powerful, potent video. This is gonna remove all the bitter moments out of your relationship. All the negative issues which you had in your relationship. If you are currently still having bitter moments, negative moments in your relationship, then this powerful spell is gonna make sure that all the bitter moments go away, vanish away permanently, and you do not face any other problems. 100% sure shot you get the results. So dear brothers and sisters, without wasting any time, if you want that your target person should forget everything, whatever bad has happened, whatever bitter moments were there in your relationship, and he should come to you, then you can try this powerful spell. This is the very powerful, a potent spell which has helped more than 10,000 people. More than 10,000 people have been benefited with this spell. All the negative, bitter, sore moments of the relationship had gone away, had vanished away permanently. You would be needing a piece of paper which is already with me, a bitter melon or a bitter gourd or a karela, I believe, and a pen, one glue, a Fevikwik, whichever is comfortable. A adhesive would also work. Whatever you have, you can get it to paste. It's gonna use for pasting purpose. This is gonna use for writing purpose. It will help us in writing, and this bitter gourd, this bitter melon is gonna help us to remove all the negative issues, vibes, bitter moments out of your relationship. This is a very powerful ancient spell which has been specially taken from ancient texts. And moreover, if you have been facing tough time, or if you have tried all the spells and unfortunately nothing seems to be working out for you, you can try this powerful anecdote spell. Anecdote means a small story spell which is gonna make sure that your target person is for you, forever for you, and cannot go away from you. So dear brothers and sisters, what would be you needing? You would be needing a small piece of paper. On this piece of paper, you will be writing down all the bitter moments or all the issues which you want that should go away. For example, I want that two moments which were quite bitter, we are assuming this thing, that were quite bad in our relationship. For example, that the third person, name of that person must vanish. Second, I want that he should apologize. These are the two things which I want. You want to write any other things, you want to read many things, you want to write many things, you can write it down. Obviously, there is a limit of 5 things which you can write it down once a time, or one in a go. Third thing, what you need to do once you have written all these things, for instance, I have written these two things, you are gonna write this powerful word. Please pay undue complete attention to this. You are gonna write it down as it is. Some are of the This is known as lambda, ohm, then this is known as the inverse ohm, then this is known as synonym. So these are the few symbols which you are gonna use. Once you have done it, you will make a zigzag like this. Only zigzag line will work. A straight, slanted or inverted lines won't work for you. A zigzag path needs to be done. Over there, you are gonna make a heart. Then you will write down your name. For example, your name is John. Your age 38. Then you are gonna write down her name Sana and her age 38 and a arrow. Once you have done it, what will you do? You are going to put this adhesive at the back of this paper and you will paste the paper like this. Once you have done it, you are going to read a powerful spell which is gonna be in front of you right now. I hope you are able to see it clearly, so that's why I'm doing it. My main motive is to make sure that this heart should be, upside. You need to do it like this, that this heart should come upside. If you are able to understand, this heart should come upside, right? So you can adjust it that this heart is coming upside. I'm finding it difficult right now to do it because I haven't used this adhesive. So you will read this Grova Thamjan Swata, right? Grova Thamjan Swata. This heart should be upside, and you are gonna burn this bitter gourd along with this piece of paper with the help of a matchstick or in a gas stove or on a fire. Something you need to burn it. While burning it, you must make sure that you are chanting this spell Grova Thamjan Swata. Grova Thamjan Swata, Grova Thamjan Swata. Once you have done it, immediately your target person will come to you and will remove all the harsh, all the negative, bitter feelings out of his or her mind and will be permanently with you. He will not be able to think even a single moment without you. Whatever was, even if you have done the miserable, horrible or horrendous thing in his life, then also he or she is gonna forget you and will be coming to you. If you need any help or if you have any doubt regarding this spell, please feel free to ask us. You can call on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda.